Tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel.
Hi all, welcome to John's Bolt Making. Today we're carrying on with the Batmobile Tumbler. There we go. Issues 50 to 52. Excellent. That is what we're left with after issue 49. Looking superb. You saw the test, it looked absolutely brilliant. Love the effect. Well, there we go. There's the bulkhead with the shock absorbers in place. That's looking excellent. Let's have a quick look at issue 50. Okie doke, issue 50. There we go, through the magazine. We have a Legacy of Adam West. And we have the Cult. That's a very good read. Excellent. Bernie Wrightson, another writer. And then we have step-by-step instructions. We have the left engine body and right engine body. Yeah, there we go. There you go. So what we did in 49, we pop into the 4 screws. That is that completed. And then coming in next issue, reinforcement frame. So let's get on with the build. So here we have the box for issue 50. Let's get the parts out. Okay, those are the parts. This is the left side of the engine body as an L on it, and this is the right side of the engine body. And we have CP screws, so we'll get these out. We need 4 of them. And there's 5. Now we need the jet boost nozzle, because we need to fit this over that screw post and that screw post and pop it in. There we go. Excellent. That's gone in perfect. Now we need to direct this cable along here through there and get the other side of the engine body into place. There we go. Something like that. Excellent. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to fit. Okay, let's get the first one in. I don't think it matters which is which. It's part way in. So is that one. One is in as well. And that's number 4. Tighten these up now. There we go. Excellent. That is the engine body. Excellent. That is issue 50 completed. Let's move on to 51. Okay, now issue 51. Seeing as 50 was such a quickie, here we have Fiery Chariots, Ernie Chan's Batmobile reinterpreted as a CGI model. There we go. There's another for anybody's collection. Batman, A Death in the Family. There we go. Jason Todd, Jim Starlin, the writer. There's the Death of Robin. And in the step-by-step instructions, number 51, we have the reinforcement frame and 2 types of brackets, type A and type B, 2 of each, and CP screws. So it's basically putting these brackets into these positions. There we go. They do have a way of putting them in. They do have a little notch at the side, so you can't get them the wrong way around. And that is it for issue 51. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have issue 51. Let's get the parts out. Really well packaged these. There's that frame, all metal of course. And we have the CP screws, and these will be the brackets. Okay, those are the parts with all these little bags. These 2 brackets are slightly different. They all have a little notch there, but you can see that one with a notch on its right side. Yeah. Has that little back on it there, so that's 51B, and put 51C to the side of it. Has a notch on the left. There we go. So he's got a small back in there. Yeah, so the notch is just opposite, and basically 51B will fit here and here, and 51C will fit here and here, and we pop them into place with CP screws. And we can only do this one at a time, obviously. So I'll take them two out to there, that one out to there, turn this over, and we get the first screw into place. You've got to get these the right way for the next issue, otherwise we'll be in trouble. This is a second type A bracket, 51B. There we go. Now we get the other two into place. Again, get the notch in place. That one goes there. There we go. Now if you have a look at all them brackets, there we go. Yeah. They all look exactly the same now, but obviously the notch is on the opposite side of each other. Excellent. That is issue 51 completed. So moving swiftly on to issue 52, Vroom Brum Crash in the magazine, Elseworlds, Batman Gotham by Gaslight, another excellent story, Mike Mignola, another cracking creator, and here we have step-by-step instructions. Fireproof bulkhead, 52B and 52C. I think the difference between them two is the main part of the body is longer. I'll have a look at that in a minute. But anyway, we put that frame on from 51 through that fireproof bulkhead, and then we'll put the brackets into place. There we go. That's the difference between 52B and 52C, so we've got to make sure we get these the right way. And there you can see that bracket going into place. Again there and there. Then we put the jet boost nozzle into place, and that is what we're left with. And coming in the next issue, fireproof bulkhead and gas cylinders. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have issue 52. We get the parts out. Yeah, we got ADP screws and CP screws. There we go. Those are the parts, those are the screws. There's the fireproof bulkhead, and there are those brackets, and you can see the inner parts on these two is longer than them two, so make sure you get these the right way around when we put them into place. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to pop that through there, turn that over. That's nicely lined up. Excellent. Now we can put these brackets into place with the relevant screw. Okay, so to get these brackets into place, 52C are the long ones, they'll go in here and here, and 52B are the shorter ones, shorter as in the body of these brackets. So that will go in there like so, and that will go in there like so, and these two being longer body, that is not longer in length, but there you can see, there we go in here and in here, with that end into the bracket there, the holder, and we put them together with ADP screws. Okay, let's put the first one into place, put that out of the way, pop that in there like so, and we'll get a screw through the middle. There we go, that's the first one. Get the second one in place, just there. Excellent. And now we can do the same with these two. Get that in there, that side like that. I'll have to magnetise the screwdriver, I think. And we'll get the screw in. Didn't think that wanted to go in then. There we go, we can do exactly the same with this one. I don't think it really matters which way we put the screw in, but the instructions do want us to put them in from this side. That's fine by me. Got that bracket the right way around. There we go. That is how that looks for now. Brilliant. So they won't go further back, but they will come forward like that. Excellent. So now we can pop this into place, put the cable through that hole there, and the phone post on the back can line up perfectly, just like that. Excellent. There we go. Now we need the CP screws to get this into place. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get the first screw in. That should pull that nice and bunny now. There's the second. You never know, we might be able to put an engine in this since it's open. That's the third screw. There we go. That's the fourth screw. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. That's all nicely lined up. Looking pretty good, that, is it not? Okay, let's have another look at this jet nozzle. That looks pretty cool. That is issues 50 to 52 complete. Well, there we go, guys. That is issues 50 to 52 complete. Excellent. 120 issues this is altogether. So this is issue 52. And yep. So we've got 68 more issues to go. 6 every 6 weeks. But anyway, I'm hoping it's going to look brilliant. I do like it up to now, I must admit. The audio or the sound effect for this wasn't brilliant. I expect it to be a little bit louder, so hopefully somebody in the modding community can come up with something that we can fit in place a bit, but you never know. I don't think a bigger speaker is going to work. Anyway, that is it, issue 50 to 52. Thanks for tuning in and watching. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in another 6 weeks. Thanks again. Bye for now.